Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's the 23rd of March. It's about 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm sitting here with D7.
Hello traders!
We are working on the new site. He drove all the way out here to beautiful Maryland to work on this, so excited to get it worked on a little bit more. So here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF, doing exactly what we wanted. Nice run up to the 117 mark, and you can again see why that's such a significant area of resistance. Bit of an unfilled gap, now tested beautifully, and a beautiful pullback also this 116.50 area with a good notable test here down to a low of 116.38. So on a higher time frame, that was also a number we were watching. Nice swing low through here. So anyway, lower swing high, nice support. Now we're chopping around, and on a higher time frame, it's nothing more than a continuation of this consolidation at this aforementioned area that has been so notably resistance. So on the highest time frame that we're going to look at today, a daily chart, doing exactly what we want, putting in a bit of a rest before making a run. And actually the markets are struggling just a bit after some news that was a little bit better than expected, and that was the home sales. Fell less than expected. Now we're popping back up into this area, and that's a pretty good 50% retracement off this high. So if you look at the high to the low, 50-yard line, we're testing that right now, so that's a beautiful thing, and we'll look to see that. Let's look at the market internals, notably the VIX is also doing a similar market activity where we're retracing a 50-yard line, and we need to again just make sure that we see a nice run lower before we get too frisky about going long. The trend, very nicely bullish, although consolidating, we're in the below 0.8. 0.62 right now is very, very nice, and we're watching that to corroborate the move up right now. The trend Q at 0.4, very nicely bullish. Again, not quite as overbought as it was yesterday. And something to note, we were just running a little bit higher here. So even if we were below 0.8, putting in higher highs and higher lows, that would be an eye-catching feature. So long story short, what we want to do is again wait, see how this consolidation works out. You can find some great patterns intraday to trade off of, but again, be careful how you trade long into this overhead resistance and how you trade short into this underlying support, notably 116, the 115.50 area that we talked about before, even a small amount at 115.80. So good stuff. We do have a Meet the Mentor meeting tonight that Des and I'll be doing from the office here, and it's kind of fun. If you're interested in learning more about our mentoring service, you can go and email Mike Williams at Mike_Williams at freetradingvideos.com, and we will see you later.